or blue for England woodwork's color. It's under purple.
My daughter says she needs some bookshelves in her room, and I told her, under one condition, you have to help me. I must admit, I spend a lot of time out in the shop, so having the kids in here, it actually is kind of fun. Now, if you notice, I said fun. I did not say easy. I said fun. Now, for all you safety coordinators out there, I give my kids a choice. You can put on shoes and not have to worry about stepping on something, or you can not wear shoes, and when you step on something, you cannot whine to me about it.
Can I help?
What?
Can I help?
Yep.
What do I do?
Right there. Go back a little bit. Right there. All right. Just stand there and look pretty. Now come here. The kids are always coming out to the shop, and typically I'm doing something that's either dangerous or putting off fumes, and I have to tell them to go play or whatever. So it's nice that I can actually do an entire project where they can pretty much be involved in every step of the process. If you've watched my other videos, you know that this planer is only around 78 to 80 decibels, even when a piece of wood is going through it. But the kids wear the headphones just because they like to. They said, what do we do while we wait? And I said, well, you may as well just dance. Straight up. Right there. Table saw is one of, if not the most dangerous tool in the shop. So I don't play around when it comes to them getting close to me when I'm using this tool. In this case, I said, you guys can just sit across the room and just cheer every time I make a cut. Now, I actually despise sanding, so this might be my new cheat code. These shelves are just little skinny bookshelves. They're not holding a lot of weight. Put some glue on there, let the kids put some screws in there, and we'll be good to go. Nice. Nice. If you can't tell, this was his favorite part, even though he looks absolutely terrified. Nice. One more. One more. Yeah.
Perfect. Now it's my turn. Why did I go so slow?
Because you held the wrong button. Slow. Nice. Nice. Bracelet. One of these shelves is going to have some hooks on it for her to put some of her bags and maybe some hats. So I did build it a little bit differently. At this point, the kids needed a snack / kind of lost interest, but they did good up until this point. Gonna put a little groove on the shelves to kind of catch the books so they don't slide down. That way they can be displayed. After that, I put a very small 1/8" round over on the whole shelf. That way I have soft edges, but still maintain that more modern, simple style. Now it's time to hit it with lacquer. You can use any clear coat you'd like. This is just what I have and what I like to use. Start to finish, even with the kids helping me, this took me just over an hour. Very, very simple build that most people could knock out very easily. Tell me. For the install, I went ahead and figured out where my studs were, pre-drilled the shelves outside in the shop so that all I had to do was center them up, level them, and screw them in.
Daddy,
What?
how you gonna take my butt out?
Yeah, just don't come over here.
Yeah, because you'll be in the video.
In case you missed that, it was, Daddy, can I come out here with my butt out? Because he's naked. And that's what it's like to do a woodworking project with your children. Overall, these shelves turned out exactly what my wife asked for, what my daughter wanted. I had a lot of fun doing this. It was pretty nice having the kids around during the whole project. My daughter is obsessed with my subscriber count. Please subscribe so she can be happy that her video did well. Always comment, like, show us some love, and we'll see you next time.